And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Well, yesterday at this time, we're getting ready to track a little snow and a little rain mixing in during the evening hours. And it played out that most locations picked up less than an inch. I think one location, Harrisville, had 1.2. Everybody else was like 0.5, 0.6, 0.3. Not a huge storm, but it did cause a few slick spots during the overnight. Now, the evening commute tonight is a dry one, but it's cold. 610 connector. Obviously coming into the city a little slow, going out, not too bad, moving south towards 10. But nonetheless, the temperatures yesterday, 30s. We did manage some 40s today, but now we're sitting back in the 30s. So two back-to-back really cold days. And if you're not a fan of this cold out there, we're going to warm it up for you as we go in the next couple of days. Right now, it's just 33 in Smithfield, 35 in Providence, and 36 in New Bedford. The good news, though, is those strong gusty winds that we had earlier this morning. They were breezy, gust 20, 25. They have backed off, and they will stay light during the evening hours. So lots of cold in the Northeast. In fact, some of the coldest temperatures are in the Northeast, where it's only in the teens in northern Maine right now. But look off to the south and west, and we'll zoom out even a bit more and show you what I got going on. Nothing real frigid. There was a little hint of frigid air early this week in the northern plains. That has moved and retreated back north up into Canada. But off to the south and west, you see some milder air. You see some 60s in St. Louis, Little Rock. And we do go milder as we go in the next couple of days. And we could hit 60 here too, which sounds great on paper. Might come with some rain and some thunderstorms, but it's still going to be milder, though, after a day tomorrow that we get back to the mid to upper 40s, may even have a few 50s tomorrow, at least nudge it. And then 60s Saturday, still 50 Sunday, and I kept 50s for Monday and Tuesday. So the stretch of really cold weather for just these 2 days ends abruptly tomorrow, and we'll have milder temperatures right through the weekend. Now, again, doesn't come with sunshine and beautiful weather by the sky conditions. The temperatures, though, will be warmer. For tonight, before we get there, we got to go back into the upper 20s and low 30s. The drop with your temperatures tonight with a lot of cloud cover will fall before midnight, and then we'll steady the temperatures into the morning hours, and that's what you'll wake up to tomorrow. And we do have a lot of cloud cover for the day on Friday. Not a bright sunny day to end the week at all. Temperatures just kind of get up to the upper 40s. They want to hit 50 so badly. And if you do, like in Westerly or New Bedford or Taunton, be a little bit above average, which will be nice. But the cloud cover, limited sunshine, and kind of a gloomy sky, but it's not going to hold back your temperature. High pressure off the coast, doing a very good job of keeping us dry, but can't hold back the cloud cover. We'll have that for tonight and tomorrow. You look back to the west, you see one low pressure in the Great Lakes, and you think, okay, there's some snow in the Great Lakes, there's a warm front, cold front. That's got to be our next weather maker, but it's really not. All this low is going to do is just track up into Canada. And the reason why those temperatures I just showed you go up is because the track it takes us to our west, that will usher in that milder air. And all it does is bring some cloud cover to the area for tonight, tomorrow. When's our next chance of rain? Well, that's still out west in the Rockies, Colorado, bringing some snow to Cheyenne, Wyoming. Rain, breezy, and mild for Saturday because the track of this low as well is going to be to our west. Whenever you have that, it allows flux of milder air to precede the front, and we go into a rain pattern and a breezy pattern. And Saturday could end up being quite stormy, especially as we go into the evening and night. Remember the last couple weekends, we've had like a line of thunderstorms that's moved through, and it's really kicked up the winds. We could have that again this weekend. So Futurecast, a lot of cloud cover now. That cloud cover with that first system stays with us tomorrow afternoon. There could be a few snow showers in upstate New York, but we stay dry, and we keep the clouds, and that will transition us to a milder setup for the weekend. Now, off to the west, that low pressure I showed you in the Rockies, it's all strengthening while we have clouds tomorrow. It starts to pull into the Midwest, and look at all this rain that's headed our way. And Saturday could be a stormy day. 2 punch of rain. Morning, night, storms, breezy conditions, windy conditions. Out of here Sunday morning, and next week is setting up to be delightful with temperatures in the 50s.
Ooh la la, delightful.
Ooh la la, I like that.
Thank you. Still to come on ABC 6 News, first at 4, Google releasing